Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that I already reviewed on this channel, but in a different colorway. We're talking about the Adidas Nite Jogger. I thought this colorway was fire. I got this shoe on sale for $91. You know the retail price for the Nite Jogger is $130. So Adidas had a 30% off, so I had to grab these. This colorway is fire, so I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at it. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. I get it, man. I know y'all tired of me talking, but let's get to this shoe. Alright, here you guys go. The Adidas Nite Jogger, black, white, red, white, blue colorway. It's a fire shoe, man. But let's get straight into it, man. As you can see, it got the white Ultra Boost right here on the sole. Got the blue bottom right here with the black. Got red, translucent in the inside on the sole. You got the gray and black toe box. You got the black suede on the beginning of the toe box. You got 3M hair. You got 3M laces, of course. You have a mesh tongue with the Adidas right here and suede with the blue Adidas written on the sides. You got the 3 stripes in blue, white, red. Got the red stitching right here on the back panel. You got a 3M strip right here. More suede. Got a hard white panel back here. On this side you got more of the same. You have the red stitching here. You have a red swoosh. Not swoosh, stripe, white stripe, blue stripe right here, man. I thought this shoe was crazy, so I had to bring it to you guys, man. This colorway, this is one of my favorite pickups of this year. As you guys know, man, I did a Nite Jogger video already. That video is doing very well for the channel, man, so I'm guessing a lot of people like the Nite Jogger, so I had to pick up. I've been looking for another color to pick up so I could bring to the channel, but I ain't seen anything that caught my eyes, but these caught my eyes, man. This black with this red, white, and blue colorway go fire, man. It reminds me of the top 3s. If you guys want to see a video of the top 3s, let me know. I have those too. I just never did a video on those, man. They still dead stock too, so I can do a video on those for you guys. Yeah, man, but these is fire, man. Adidas definitely has some real underground sneakers, man. Not underground, but like under the radar sneakers that they've been coming out with. That's just been fire, man. They got the Oswego joints. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but the Oswego joints is fire. Pusha T is coming out with his own colorway in those. That's another fire shoe. I'm kind of looking for a colorway that's catching my eyes in those too, but I haven't seen anything yet that catch my eyes. But you guys know if I find something, I'll definitely bring it to the channel. But these definitely caught my eyes right here, and these is fire, man. Just a clean shoe you could just throw on, you know, to get your day going, man. You can go running in these. You can also just, you know, you go dress them up, dress them down, and they're very comfortable. So you don't have to worry about your feet hurting all day, nothing like that, man. Very clean shoe, man. I really like it. It's my second pair. As I mentioned earlier in the video, I already did a video on my first pair of these, so you guys can check the channel and find that, or I'll put a link up above so you guys can check that out, man. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you guys like this shoe, let me know. Leave it in the comments. You guys know I answer all my comments. I get back to you guys. You guys are like family, so you know anytime a comment is left, I always respond. And yeah, man, fire shoe, man. But y'all know what time it is. It's time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm definitely gonna have to give this joint, man. I'm gonna have to give this joint, man, 4 pennies, man, because it's definitely an everyday shoe. The colors are something that you can wear every day. You can wear black every day, you wear white every day. The red, white, and blue is not too much on this shoe, but it's there and it's noticeable, so you guys might want to match that up, man. But this is definitely a fire shoe, man, that you can just put on and catch a lot of eyes with, man. I know a lot of people, they buy sneakers, they want to catch eyes with it, and this is something that's under the radar that you won't see a lot of people with, but people will definitely be looking at them like, oh, what are those? What are those? You'll definitely catch eyes with these, man. Yeah, man, I gave it 4 out of 5 pennies, man, but let me know if you disagree with my rating, if you guys think it should be 5 pennies, if you guys think it should be 4.5, or if you guys think it should be less. Let me know, man. Leave in the comments below, and you know, we can talk about it in the comments. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.